G'day ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Bitcoin update. We're back here with no webcam today. We had webcam yesterday, but the new desk has arrived. I'm in the process of assembling that. I'm not particularly fond of assembling furniture, so I've kind of neglected that. I'm making this video beforehand, and it's literally going to be a few minutes, this video. I just need to quickly update you guys on some stuff here and recap what's going on, and really, kind of point out what's important over the next 11 to 12 hours, because the next 11 to 12 hours, guys, is the weekly candle close, and we've discussed multiple times in multiple videos now what is important about this. 28.6k, this red line you see on the screen here, is the major level we are attempting to break out above. We've seen multiple daily candle closes above the level. I'll make it pink so you can see it over here. As you can see, those daily candle closes successfully getting above that level. We've seen extensive consolidation now for, 5 or 6 days above that level. We're looking quite good. I made the prediction, I think 3 days ago, that we would probably close the weekly candle above 28.6k, and it does look like that is the case at this point in time. We are quite a bit above it. We're 28.6k. Let's just go ahead and see. We're about, we've been about 8% above it. We're about 5% above it right now, so we're looking, pretty good for that weekly candle close. Let me go ahead and turn back on this line here. There we go. So yeah, that's the important thing. And the reason why it's important is because if we don't close a weekly candle above 28.6k, we have not actually confirmed a breakout back into bull market territory. Not to say we'll go back into a bull market, but to say we're re-entering the range in which we saw the previous bull market. What you can go ahead and do is this. You can quite easily visualize what the price action for Bitcoin is like on a macro scale by simply drawing two rectangles since 2020, 2021. What you can do is you can draw the first rectangle here from 28.6k to the all-time high at 68k, and you can draw the second rectangle down here. As you can see, we have two definitive rectangles, and we have two definitive ranges, one of which is the bear market range, which is this one right here. We'll go ahead and put the word bear there, and one of which is the bull market range, which is this one right here. Now, I want to make it very clear, I don't think we're entering a bull market. I don't think bull markets happen at this point in the cycle. Bull markets happen after the halving. It depends on what your definition of bull market is, though. For some people, they would say a bull market's any time in which the market is going up. I disagree. I think Bitcoin is very strongly based in the 4-year cycle theory, and as per the 4-year cycle theory, which is perfectly valid as to when we bottomed out and when we topped out. It's been nothing but valid. As per the 4-year cycle theory, we will see the bull market in 2024, late 2024 and 2025, for basically the most of the year in 2025. That's when we'll see the bull market. But we're getting back into bull market range, and we're breaking out of the bear market range, and we need to be seeing, as you can see, 28.6k is the line in the sand between bull market and bear market ranges. And if we get that weekly candle close in 11 or 12 hours here, we will be getting back into that bull market range. That is why it's important. If we don't get it, what we will have formed is a long wick to the upside and a strong rejection after 3 doji candles, which could actually be detrimental to the health of Bitcoin. That alone wouldn't bring us back into a bear market, but the results of that very well could. Okay, I've been very clear about my opinion on Bitcoin. I don't think the short term looks particularly good. The hourly chart is in a pretty horrible position, to be quite frank with you. We've got a descending resistance line on the RSI here. I'm not really sure why the lines aren't drawing, but you're going to have to just follow visually here. We've got a very strong bearish divergence here on the RSI with a, and this is the hourly chart, but it reflects down on the 4-hourly chart, reflects on the 8-hour chart, reflects on most of the charts here with, strong bearish divergence in the RSI. We've got a ascending broadening wedge formation here, which is basically a formation that forms at the top of ranges in which you see patterns of exhaustion, and we're bumping our head right on top of that resistance at around 31.3k, which is the top red line there. As you can see, that acted as resistance back here in May 2022. So it's not looking particularly good on the short term and medium term, but the good news is this: we only need to hold on above 28.6k for literally another 11 hours. So I think we will be able to do it. Now, if we close above 28.6k on the weekly, for example, and then we correct down later during the week and we don't get any weekly candle closes back below, that could be a good situation. I think, the one thing I am slightly concerned about, I don't see it as a major threat, but it is something worth noting. Given how bearish, and how weak and how exhausted Bitcoin is looking on the daily chart and 4-hour chart, etc., I do think it is a small possibility here that we do see a weekly candle close above 28.6k and then actually that could be a fake out and we drop back below it in the week after. There's a small possibility of that. But given the fact that it's such a major level, it's so important and it's acted as support so strongly in the past, I think that maybe the macro TA there with that support level at 28.6 could outweigh and overpower the bearish short term, bearish medium term, and perhaps just it will hold. So we'll have to wait and see in that regard. It's kind of hard to make predictions, a week in the future with something so speculative, something like that. But ultimately, the only reason I'm bringing this video is because we're about to get above it. We're about to close above it. 11 hours here. It's the final stretch. If we can do it, that's excellent because this is the strongest strongest resistance zone Bitcoin has seen since 2019, which is basically when we saw a similar level at 6K, the pink line I just drew. This is the strongest resistance zone in over 4 years. So it's very important that we get above it, and it's a major time, and that's why I'm bringing you this short little update here today. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. I just wanted to let you know that. So we've got a few things to say before we end the video. FLM, which is a trade we did in the VIP group, went up 510%, assuming 10x leverage in under 12 hours. All of the people who kind of took advantage of the sale, which is over 50 people on the VIP, 25% discount we had until the 14th of April. That would have been their first trade. And so the first trade we did for all the VIP members there who took advantage of the sale was a 500% profit, assuming 10x leverage, which is just absolutely insane. And it's really good to see. And we've had many trades like that. I'm sure there will be many more. If you're interested in the VIP group, you can check it out in the description below. We trade altcoins on there on Telegram. Crypto Academy, guys. Again, I'm not sure why this isn't loaded. Here we go. Crypto Academy, become a trader, 10-unit course. This course could be for you if you're wanting to learn how to trade or you're wanting to take your trading to the next level. You know, there's many ways to learn how to trade. You can learn on YouTube, you can learn websites, books, whatever. You can learn for free if you really put in the extra time and effort. But if you don't want to do that and you want it all concise and you want all the information there and you want all the information to be fact-checked and valid by 2 professional traders, myself and Megawell Crypto, then you can check out the Crypto Academy course, right? So go ahead and check out the website, read up all about it, and if you want to, send us an email with any questions, you can do so. The email link is on the website there at cryptoacademycourse@gmail.com. And finally, guys, the BitGet exchange. This is an exchange I've personally used for trading for over a year now. I love this exchange. It's my favorite exchange in the market. I actually like it so much that I reached out to these guys for a partnership. They did not reach out to me. So that's a testament to my genuine fondness of this exchange, I should say. I think I've said that word twice in this video, which is interesting because it's a very, very unique word. Anyway, 5 times lower fees than Binance, guys, and a 15% trading fee discount for life. If you sign up using my referral link, you can do so with the link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.